In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to number your message on Microsoft Teams chat. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing your thoughts, creating step-by-step instructions, or simply ensuring clarity in your communications. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Microsoft Teams application. Once you're there, look for the Chat section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Chat to open up your conversations. Now, either select an existing chat where you wish to send your numbered message, or initiate a new chat with a colleague or group. This is where we'll start composing our organized message. With your chat window open and ready for a new message, direct your attention to the message composition box at the bottom. Below this box, you'll see a series of icons. We're looking for the Show Formatting Options button. It typically looks like a capital A with a small pen icon, or sometimes just an A with lines next to it. Clicking this button will expand a toolbar, revealing a whole range of text formatting capabilities that aren't visible by default. This is your gateway to making your messages more professional and structured, including the numbered list we're after. Once the formatting toolbar has expanded, you'll see various options like bold, italics, underlining, and text color. Among these, you'll find an icon specifically for numbered list. It usually appears as a sequence of numbers like 1, 2, 3, often next to a similar icon for bullet points. Be careful not to confuse the two. We want the numbered list for sequential ordering. Click on this numbered list icon. You'll notice that your cursor in the message box will now automatically display the number "1", indicating that the numbered list formatting has been successfully applied and you're ready to begin. Now that the numbered list formatting is active, you can start typing the first item of your message. As you type, the non-one will precede your text. Once you've completed your first point, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. You'll observe that Microsoft Teams automatically generates the next number, "2", for your subsequent point. This seamless auto-numbering ensures that your list remains perfectly organized without you having to manually type each number. This makes drafting detailed instructions or agenda items much quicker and more efficient. You can continue to add as many items to your numbered list as needed by simply pressing Enter after each point. Teams will intelligently continue the numbering sequence for you. If, however, you wish to move to a new line within a specific numbered item without creating a new number, you can do so by holding down Shift and then pressing Enter. This allows you to add more detail to a single point. To exit the numbered list formatting altogether, you can either press Enter twice after your last item, or simply click the numbered list icon again to toggle it off. Once you've finished typing out all the points in your numbered list and are satisfied with your message, it's time to send it. Look for the Send button, which typically appears as a paper airplane icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the message composition box. Click this button, and your perfectly organized numbered message will be delivered to your chosen chat. Your recipients will see a clear sequential list, making it easy for them to follow instructions, understand key points, or track progress. It truly enhances the readability and professional appearance of your communication. After sending, take a moment to review how your numbered message appears in the chat. You'll notice the distinct formatting, which significantly improves readability compared to a block of text. This method is particularly effective for project steps, meeting agendas, or even just outlining ideas. Remember, you can always go back and edit a sent message in Teams if you need to adjust or add to your numbered list. Simply hover over your message, click the More Options ellipsis, and select Edit. Mastering this simple formatting tool will greatly streamline your communication in Microsoft Teams.